So I'm just on a service calls for a basically newer train system, not even a year old. Got here and the breaker was soft trip, meaning basically it just wasn't all the way in the center position, was kind of on. I just tapped it to the center and it basically showed that it was tripped. So just looking now to see, check my amp draw, see what I'm dealing with here. 6.3 amps, it's okay. Check our voltage actually as well. $238.8. Power factor 0.99. We've got 1470. So I mean, wattage looks good, voltage and amps draw look good, not drawing anything too crazy. See how we got it going in. So we got our whip coming in, got those going to the load side, coming out your sub panel on the line side. One thing that I do see that's kind of peculiar right there, looks like it might have arced something there, so I'm going to check our voltage. I'm going to check voltage across that screw and ground and see if we got a load on that screw. Might be, I'm not. Tapping on the screw and the ground. So we basically have got, yep, looks like the screw snagged one of the legs, 120. Got 120 volts going to that screw. Yikes. I see. So yeah, it was coming straight down. Probably just should have stuck with the two center screws. I wonder if that one hit as well, that upper screw. Let's take a look and get my meter. If I can get my probe down in here, I don't think I'm going to be able to. Damn. There we go. Ground. Nothing. Good. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try to pull that out. Cut the disconnect off and pull those screws out and see what we got. Alright, so I got the breaker off. Check voltage once again. Always like to check voltage just like crazy. Nothing. 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 Perfect. I'm just kind of interested to see what this screw is going to look like. Oh yeah, took a chunk out of it. So yeah, we're gonna have to probably run that whole line. Darn it. This one looks good. Damn, he went crazy with the screws, didn't he? It was inevitable he's gonna hit something. Hopefully there's some slack in it. Nope, there's not. All right, so I'm about to fire it up. Looking good. Check our voltage, make sure we don't have a crazy voltage drop going across. 239. 239 looks good. So yeah, that's good to go. Alrighty, so we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.